3 cool smart toys for kids. Want your kid to have unique and cool toys? Watch this video and you'll get to know the best smart toys for your kids. SAGO Brothers Air Dry Clay. SAGO Brothers Air Dry Clay has educational objectives and it induces creative skills, imaginatory skills, color recognition, logical thinking skills, and sensory play in your kid. It can aid children in developing their senses, confidence, and capacity for logical thought. Keep kids engrossed in clay creations and away from devices. The best arts and crafts for kids that encourage imagination growth and hand-eye coordination involve this air dry clay. The air dry clay is also perfect for adult arts and crafts projects. A 72-page instruction manual for clay includes numerous tutorials suitable for all ages. 50+ different types of typical objects such as foods and animals are used to teach clay painting and color awareness. Clay comes in a lovely gift box and is ideal as a gift for children's toys since it offers vibrant colors, safe ingredients, and a project book. ELEGOO Smart Robot Car Kit. ELEGOO Smart Robot Car Kit by ELEGOO is basically an informational and educational toy for kids, teens, and adults who are interested in robotics, electronics, and programming. It is not limited to just beginners. Kids can learn the basics of programming, electronics, and robotics, while teens and adults can get experience. This kit is a fantastic gift for anyone who is interested in electronics and robotics. It functions as an integrating alternative for educational applications, with its diversity of automotive features and specific building block functions. It has many free learning resources. Whether you are a rookie or an engineer, creating this robot car kit will be very simple with some instructions. Simply follow the tutorial, and in no time at all, you'll have your own working automobile kit. With the help of this kit, you can spend quality time with your kids while encouraging their imaginations. Moving shooting targets. A moving target with a pirate motif, 2 power popper guns, and 18 pieces of blue and orange soft foam balls are all included in the Daxta Zin Kids shooting toy. This gun target shooting toy supports both static and moving modes, which is different from the conventional scoring target game. You can either choose the static mode or the more difficult moving mode to challenge children's attention span, reaction time, and hand-eye coordination. The eco-friendly EVA substance used to create the soft foam balls makes them a safe and kid-friendly companion for both boys and girls. Even if the soft balls strike a child's body, they won't damage them or put them at risk. The multiple-size scoring compartments in the shooting target game toy allow your kid to challenge shooting skills while also collecting the balls that blast. It is suitable for use with any foam shooter. Set your own rules and begin enjoying your shooting practice. If you enjoyed watching this video, then make sure to click on the video you see on the screen now, as the next video also contains some essential toys that your children would like.